I just cleaned up this logo and I did it with limited colors so that the background wouldn't show through. And as a result, this is what I have. And that's exactly what I wanted. However, I do want to do a version where I have the white inside of the ghost and the glass. So going back to Inkscape, what I'm going to do very quickly is I'm just going to go to the black layer. I'm going to clone it. Let's rename it white. I'm going to convert the object to a path, and I'm going to change the color from a black. For now, I'm going to go with like a gray, and I'll make it full white shortly. And then from here, really, all I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of zoom in, use my curves, and I will delete the curves that are on the inside of the shape. Now, once I've done that on both sides, I will go back to my layers, and I will grab this layer and I will move it down in the hierarchy. Now, of course, I need to do that on both sides. I haven't done it with the ghost as well, but the point is, when I go ahead and export this, I will end up having, well, at the moment, a gray background, but once I change this to a lighter color, it'll end up being a white background. All right, so there we go, something like that. Let's actually change the color all the way to a white, and then we'll go back to our layers. We will move this layer down, and we are ready for exports. So we'll go ahead and we'll export this. In this case, I'm going to do it as a PNG, and we will go ahead and export it at the sizes that I've set. And now if I go into another program, like for example, GIMP, and open that, there we go. So a fairly quick, easy cheat to be able to create a layer and move it underneath.